Alright guys, we are at the junkyard again. Taking a look at this 9.5 here. Trying to find some odds and ends for the red 9.5 that I just introduced to the channel. Specifically the dash. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, these dash pieces are dirty, but savable. So yeah, we're just doing a quick little pick here. Trying to see what can be saved from this poor Saab wagon here. Now anytime you're doing a pick, I mean, make sure you always look up top too. Sometimes you can save some of these mirrors if they have the electronic buttons. You know, sometimes your plastics might be broken and you might be able to find a donor car that has some good plastics. Oh, speaking of, I need to get that piece for those of you who witnessed me take my door card off and broke that entire thing. So let's go see if that thing's any good. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Not a single crack in it. Doesn't look like. Wow. Now the trick is not to crack it when we take it off. Yeah, we can already see this one's coming off much easier than the one that I did before on mine. All right. Sweet. I'm also going to take these things too, since I don't know where I put mine after I installed the dog gate. You're not getting away, little buddy. Alright, so far so good. I think we're going to end up getting a dash out of this deal. See, they already removed the radio and the SID, so that kind of made the work easy. As far as exposing these screws, see if they're oh yeah. Let's do it. Things out. I'm also going to grab this piece. I don't know if it's worth it given that this car was a manual and mine is automatic. I want to say there's a difference between the two bezels, but that's worth a shot. We're here. And there we go. It's dirty, but hopefully it'll work for my automatic. I wish this thing was the same leather color as mine, because mine's all worn. But let's see what else we got. Ooh. Slow, but I don't know. Do those things ever really break? I'm kind of surprised GM didn't put the storage component as part of this rear armrest on the later 9.5s, because on my 2000 you have it and you got the little flip up storage, and this, they obviously deleted it. Oh, all right, and another good thing that you guys can always take from a junkyard is if you pull out the heated seat switches, or if you have cooled seats, pull all the switches out, because in here are the little green light bulbs that illuminate these. Now you can get them new from Saab, but each light bulb I want to say is like $8. And if you have 2 of these per switch times 4 switches, or even 2 switches, it starts to add up. So you can take the little bulbs from these guys in a junkyard, and oftentimes the bulbs are so small, junkyards won't even charge you for them. So just get a flathead screwdriver and do a half a turn, and these bulbs should come right out. There's also one underneath this little white cover here. And there you go. That's 16 bucks right there. Oh, what the heck? Do we go double or nothing? Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. Someone in the club needs some taillight lenses, so we're gonna grab those. Darn. Looks like someone already beat me to the ice blocks on this 2008 9.3 here. I think I'll call that our haul for the day. Alright guys, so the total damage, let me take my Saab Club mask off here. The total damage for a dash and some lens covers, the switches, came out to a whole $30.40. So for 30 bucks, I'd say we got some good little bits that will spruce up the inside of our project Red Wagon. Thank you guys for watching, and follow along with this most recent junkyard adventure.